Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So today we don't have a customer stuff. We got my one. I bought it on eBay. Similar to the one we just had, as well Cambridge audio, only model Azure 340, not 540. Okay. Now this one is working, and I thought it will be fully functional, and it did came, and it played me several. The Janis Joplin. So let's do the button. See? And then it's trying to open. That's what it does. Unfortunately, it's not working. Close, and then showing door. Doesn't want to operate. So I didn't open it yet. You know, I bought the 3 belts for it for 540 model, and so I want to now see. Oh, I think I will have problem with this. I need to go find a better tip. Wait a second, guys, just a friendly advice. I just damaged myself one bit. Don't use electric ones for it. Try to use manual. Unfortunately, I can't recover my one. Hopefully I can take out the... Okay, I could. And with the manual, just make sure you get the right bit, because you can't unscrew it. Literally, it's too hard. Now I can do the rest with this. Okay, now it's a breeze. Okay, and is it the belt as well? So as we remember, there were thingies on the side, like plastic thing, and you just hold it, and then you can push it. I see that I've got trouble with the second one. There's one more somewhere. Okay, let's put the power on. That was on. Okay, that will do. It's looking like it's the belt fault. Doesn't, for now at least, doesn't look like anything else. Maybe I'll be lucky and I don't have to send it away. Now don't know. Get it? Okay. I'll grab another belt, new belt. Okay, so we got another belt to save the time. That's an old one, and that's a new one. Again, the same thing, the same story goes with the 540 model. It's slightly thinner, but it was working. This one is slightly, original is slightly thicker. So let's hope for the best, because I don't want to send it away. Okay. I don't know how this will react, because I don't remember the last time. Okay, that's close, open, close. Let's open. Okay. Need to have aligned, no disk open. Okay, good. No. Why doesn't want to close? Not on this side. Not on this side. Weird. Okay. Come on. Don't be cheeky. Don't know if I can find a place where it's holding back. Oh, okay. So now it's no disk. Now let's try to open. What it will do? Open and nothing. Again. No disk. Open. So the last time I've done exactly the same way. Okay, this is... Don't remember if this... I would have to watch the video. If that was the same way. Because I remember this one was turning. This wheel here was turning and this one here is not turning. So yeah, I've done the same way. But either the mechanism is misaligned. Okay, those here are gears in this way. These are fine. Here everything is... This seems to be working, so that's not damaged. Okay, that goes well. I don't see any other damages. So I need to force it to fit, because there's no other way. But here this one doesn't turn, so it's looking like it's different. I think I know what's wrong. There is one plastic which goes like that, and since I start to remove it, it didn't turn. So it might be that the mechanism is not working the way I thought it will. Because that plastic is not moving. Open. Exactly. So the mechanism is either misaligned, yeah, or something is damaged. I don't know what. That's my question now. Myself. Because that one was super easy. If you would watch the video, you would see it's super easy to do this. Whereas here, this mechanic... Oh, exactly. That's what I was trying to achieve. No disk. But pressing the eject doesn't work. Switch off. Close. Open. Exactly. But this doesn't lift. So it's still misaligned. I'm missing something. It's open, it's showing open. Now it's closed, but it's not lifting this door. So it's still the same problem with the door. I would say the mechanism is that's quite interesting. I will try to figure it out. Okay guys, so this part is fine, all the gears are okay, and the mechanism here, which is lifting, working fine. Nothing is missing on this part. I don't see missing gears, so the only thing what I can think of, because you see it's lifting up, so it's fine. So I think it's misalignment. That's all there is, yes? Okay, so what it was that the mechanism wasn't out completely, so I should press the button, allow it to properly close and open. When it's in the position of open, then allow it to insert the tray, yes? Now it's no disc, now it's open. Let's take Janice, let's close it. Did I press or I didn't press? I pressed for sure, and we've got 15 no door issue. So keep in mind, yes, keep in mind, good that we had the second for the repair. 1, don't use mechanical screwdriver at the top, use handheld one. And number 2 is when you remove the mechanism, make sure that you will close and open it with the button so that it's pushed out properly and the mechanism and the electronics are in the same setting, that's mean out. Yes, so let's do the last. I see that this button is temperamental, you can see. And what about the play button? Oh yeah, play button is perfect. So it might be the case that I will need to replace the eject button as well, but that's least of my worry for now. And we can see the CD is playing. Yeah, it could be that the button is temperamental, but with the play button, works like a charm. Thank you guys for watching. If possible, please leave a like button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.